guys, this is Ashu Reddy. So it's an immense pleasure to always be at the Highlight Brights exhibition. This time it is very, very special because it's the Diwali celebrations. And Diwali anagane manaki crackers gustayi, but aadavallaki jewelry and of course clothing chala important kabatti. We have multi-designer stores inside and exclusively all over from India. So there is no point of going anywhere else except Highlight Brights exhibition. And this is happening at HICC Novotel on the 10th, 11th and 12th of October. Do not miss it, and amazing collection only. We can't wait to get inside and shop.
మీకు ఎలాంటి జ్యువెలరీ అంటే ఇష్టం?
Jewelry అంటే చాలా ఇష్టం. ఎలాంటిది but yes, mostly we like diamonds and real jewelry.
So Diwali ఎలా సెలబ్రేట్ చేసుకున్నారు?
Diwali, I'm not a crackers person, so mostly at home and neat cooking. అమ్మ వాళ్ళతో అందరూ